Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your home cooking experience, the QuliMetal 5-piece enameled cast iron cookware set. For anyone who loves to cook, bake sourdough, or simply wants reliable, beautiful cookware, this set might just be what you've been searching for. Let's break down what makes this QuliMetal set stand out. At its core, this is a cast iron cookware set. Now, cast iron is a material renowned for its incredible heat retention and even heat distribution. This means that once it heats up, it stays hot, providing a consistent cooking temperature that is crucial for achieving those perfect sears and slow, even cooking for stews and braises. This set includes a 4.3-quart Dutch oven, a 2-quart saucepan, and 3 skillets measuring 8, 10, and 11 inches. That's a comprehensive collection covering everything from a morning omelette to a Sunday roast. One of the biggest appeals of this set is its enameled finish. Unlike traditional cast iron, which requires seasoning and careful maintenance to prevent rust, enameled cast iron offers a much more user-friendly experience. The hard coat enamel on both the interiors and exteriors of these pots and pans is designed to be durable. It resists scratches and chips, which is a significant advantage in a busy kitchen. This enamel also contributes to the aesthetic appeal, giving the cookware a smooth, elegant finish that looks fantastic on any stovetop or in any oven. The features highlight superior heat distribution and retention, ensuring your food cooks evenly. This is particularly important for delicate items like pancakes or eggs, where uneven heating can lead to burnt edges and undercooked centers. The QuliMetal set promises to eliminate those hot spots, providing a consistent cooking surface across the entire pan. The snug-fitting lids are another key feature. They trap moisture and heat, essential for tender pot roasts, flavorful soups, and perfectly cooked grains. This means you'll be able to achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. For the sourdough enthusiasts out there, the Dutch oven is specifically mentioned as being ideal for bread baking. The ability of cast iron to maintain high, consistent temperatures is precisely what you need for that beautiful, crusty sourdough loaf. Imagine pulling a perfectly baked, golden brown loaf from your oven, a testament to the quality of your cookware. The versatility of this set is truly impressive. The Dutch oven and saucepan are perfect for stovetop cooking, simmering sauces, or slow-cooking stews. The skillets are ideal for frying, sautéing, and searing. But the true magic happens when you move from the stovetop to the oven. This cookware is oven-safe up to a remarkable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This seamless transition allows for recipes that start with a sear on the stove and finish with a roast in the oven, all in the same pan. The thoughtful design elements are also worth noting. The wide, sturdy handles are crucial for safely maneuvering hot cookware, reducing the risk of spills and burns. The stainless steel lid knobs not only add a touch of elegance but also provide a comfortable and secure grip. The smooth porcelain enameled interior is designed to minimize sticking, making cooking and caramelization easier. When it comes to cleaning, the QuliMetal set offers some flexibility. It is dishwasher safe, which is a convenience many busy cooks appreciate. However, for maintaining the longevity and pristine appearance of your enameled cast iron, hand washing with warm soapy water and a nylon brush is recommended. This gentle approach will help preserve the enamel's integrity and keep your cookware looking like new for years to come. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the superior heat retention and even heating of cast iron are undeniable benefits. The durability and scratch resistance of the enamel coating make it a much lower maintenance option than traditional cast iron. The versatility, from stovetop to oven, and its suitability for bread baking are major advantages. The thoughtful design with comfortable handles and elegant lid knobs enhances the user experience. On the con side, like all cast iron, this set is heavy. Moving the larger pieces, especially the Dutch oven when full, can be a challenge for some. While the enamel is durable, it's not indestructible. Dropping the cookware or using metal utensils aggressively could still lead to chipping. Also, while dishwasher safe, hand washing is advised for optimal care, which some might see as an inconvenience. The initial investment for a quality cast iron set, even enameled, can be higher than for non-stick alternatives. In conclusion, the QuliMetal 5-piece enameled cast iron cookware set offers a compelling combination of traditional cast iron benefits with modern convenience and aesthetic appeal. It's a robust, versatile, and beautiful addition to any kitchen, capable of handling a wide range of cooking and baking tasks with impressive results. If you're looking to invest in cookware that will last and consistently deliver delicious meals, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.